Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how to change your country on Spotify. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. For example, I'm going to type Spotify here. If I type Spotify and I have to open the Spotify, and I have connected my account here, so you have to connect your account as well here. So for example, I'm going to go here in my account, and after that in the account review section I have to scroll down a little bit, and after that I will just see the join premium option here. You have to click on the join premium and just select something like, for example, just to show you, and after that you have to click on the change plan and get 3 months for ₹0 here. Once you click on it, as you can see here, I have the option change country. So if I click on it, I can select any country I want. So that's the only option in the PC or in the phone you can have. So that's how you can change a country. There is no other way to change your country if you have selected your country once while creating your account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more content. Thank you.